All right, for our Pendulum Hip Press, we're really fortunate to have this piece in here. It's one of the best, if not the best, hip press machine out there. So to find our seat height, we're going to, when we're down in the machine and our legs are fully extended, this front of the frame is going to be parallel with this part of the frame right here. So this parallel to that frame, and that's finding our seat height. So to get the seat, we have to sit down in it. To move it, and you have to move forward a little bit, and then you can pull the pin out, and then you can adjust it. So for me, when we get our feet in here, our feet are gonna be wider than our hips, and our toes are gonna be flared about 3 to 5 degrees. This is exactly what it's gonna look like. Our feet aren't gonna be down too low, they're not too high, they're about in the middle of the plate. Now we can have different foot placements for different profiles and different strength curves, but this is where we start. And on this carriage, it's important to note that we don't have to put even amount of weight on both sides. The carriage is completely connected. I'm gonna sit up tall, I'm gonna press it up, and that's about right for my seat height. Unlock it, now still about 2 seconds on the way down, then drive up, find a comfortable spot to exhale, take a breath at the top, and keep repeating that. My hands are here, I'm gonna sit up real tall. And as I come down, I'm gonna open my hips up and open my femur up, and my knee's gonna end up coming down outside of my armpits. Done, lock it back down, set down softly. It's a very, very unique machine, and Tyler Hobson, the developer of Pendulum equipment, he's a genius in his field. So we're very fortunate to have this one. It has a very unique strength curve, it has a very unique movement profile. It's the safest machine out there, and we're looking forward to getting in this one.